Phew. Bless me. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now we are back for another unboxing. We are going to open up the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I believe. And I heard a rumor, I don't know if it's true, but I heard a rumor that most of the makeup, or the bags that get the most makeup, are people who are the age 20 to 29. So they're giving the youngins all the makeup, and they're giving all us people with matured skin, like myself, I'm 37, all skincare. So they go more by your age, apparently, than by your preferences. My survey definitely says no skincare. I'm tired of skincare. I get too much skincare. So you guys, if you've watched my videos in the past, you know that that's true, that I would always get skincare. It was almost kind of a running joke. So now the reason why we're doing this video is I did a little test. I changed my age to 23 in my profile survey. So just to see if it made a difference in the items that I got. So let's open her up. This is the Ipsy right here. I'll try not to show my address this time. And this is our Ipsy bag. It came in this lovely old lady looking bag right here. But that's not why we buy them, am I right? We buy them for the good stuff that's inside. So let's see if it's more makeup or more skincare. So I reach in, the first thing that I pull out is Yensa Silk Bronzing Base. Hey, we're off to a good start. That is definitely makeup. And I've had really good experiences with Yensa. Actually, both with their makeup and their skincare. I really, really enjoy their products. They feel great on the face. They're very moisturizing and hydrating. So this Sunlit Glow, it's actually in a really, really nice shade. It looks like this. It's a cream. And it comes with this brush to bronze all over. I'm actually really excited to try this. So that's one makeup item. And let's keep going. Let's see, maybe we are getting lucky. The next we have the Space Case Cosmetics. Now I did forget to mention the one thing about Ipsy is that you do get to pick a couple of your items. So obviously I did pick the makeup items. I can't remember if that was one of the items or if this was one of the items, but I'm pretty sure I picked this one. Just because all the other options were skincare. And that is what she got. Honestly, I know that I will never wear this. I'm not going to swatch it just because someone else may want this. So I'm going to probably either put this in a giveaway or sell it on Mercari, which you can check out in my description below if you want to buy my stuff. So that's two makeup items. That's a good deal so far. Next, we have a Wander eyeliner. And let's see. Let's swatch this bad boy. It's a little oily. It's very black, but it's a little oily. So I did two separate ones there, and you can see that it's not looking super awesome there. I'm a little concerned about this. I won't judge it until it goes on my eyes, but I gotta tell you, I don't have high hopes for this. Mostly because I have yet to like one item I've ever gotten from Wander. But guess what? It's makeup. So at least it's makeup. The next item that we have is a brow stick from the brand called Item in the shade Brow Chow in Deep Brunette. Ooh, I actually needed a new brow pencil. The tip looks like this. And let's see how it swatches. Oh, that's nice. It's a really, really big, it's a really, really buildable pigmented shade. That's really, really nice. I really, really, really like that. I'm definitely going to be able to get a lot of use out of this, especially from the shape of the tip. It's got an interesting shape where you can use it to make more precise lines on your brow. That's really, really cool. I like this. And it's got another side, and it's got a blending brush. That is so cute, and that is so soft. I wonder if this works as well as the sponges, because that's what I use to ombre my brows right now, is I use a sponge and I kind of just blend it out like that, one of those really small sponge brushes. I wonder if this will work as good. I'm really, really excited to try this. Hey, 3 makeup items. We're doing great. There are 2 more items in here, and we have a name brand beauty blender in a hot, hot, hot pink. That's exciting. That's a makeup item at least. So I'm excited to get this because I love beauty blender just as much as the next person. And last but not least, we have a skincare item. It is Contacts Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. But you know what? That's only 1 out of 5 items skincare. Coincidence? Maybe, but I don't know. It just seems kind of weird that every other bag that I've gotten in the past before has been the majority of skincare, and all of a sudden I have the majority makeup. Coincidence or nah? To dive a little deeper, I actually did get the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus, but they had not arrived at the time of filming. So I'm scrolling down here just to show you what I got in my Glam Bag. And as you can see, I got mostly makeup. Again, only 1 out of 5 items was skincare. So let's take a look at the Glam Bag Ultimate, which retails for $50. This is all of what I got in my Glam Bag Plus. Not too shabby. Only 4 out of the 12 items was skincare. So I got a lot of makeup to play with. I was really, really excited. I don't know. You guys be the judge. What do you think? You tell me. If you're in your 20s, have you gotten more makeup? If you're about my age in the 37, do you get more skincare? Let me know. Let's solve this mystery. That's all for me for this video. I know it was short and sweet, but that's the way we like them sometimes, right? All right, thank you very much. If you like these types of videos, please let me know. Let me know what types of videos you'd like to see. Please like, subscribe, ring that bell so you know that when I upload. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at CarpeCynthia. Check out my description below if you want to buy my stuff. And thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!